गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। प्रीवियस क्लास में हम लोग देखे थे क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट्स में मीनिंग ऑफ क्यूब ऑफ ए नंबर। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिपीट द सेम वंस अगेन। इफ ए नंबर इज बीइंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय itself 3 times, then cube of that number is obtained. Let required number be x, then we have x into x into x is equal to x cube. That is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 whole cube. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 whole cube. 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 4 whole cube, and so on. It means it is clear that if any number is being multiplied by itself 3 times, then cube of that number is obtained. After evaluating cube, you will become able to say that a certain number, that is 2 whole cube is equal to 8, 3 whole cube is equal to 27, 4 whole cube is equal to 64, 5 whole cube is equal to 125, 6 whole cube is equal to 216, and so on. These numbers 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 whole cube, that is equal to 1. These numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216 are a perfect cube. Perfect cube is well defined as follows. A number whose cube root is possible directly as in terms of a whole number is being considered as a perfect cube. We can just explain the perfect cube or about the perfect cube as follows. Let n be an integer in such a manner that n is equal to m into m into m, where m is also an integer, then n is equal to m cube, and this n is called perfect cube. As for example, this 8 into 8 into 8 is equal to 512. M, suppose that 8 is equal to m, then this one is your m into m is equal to n. This n is your perfect cube, and this n is being treated as 512. Let m is equal to 8, then n is equal to m cube, this is equal to 8 whole cube, this is equal to 512. Therefore, n is equal to 512, and this n is called perfect cube. This is right explanation about perfect cube. It means if 3 numbers are being multiplied by itself, any number is being multiplied by itself 3 times, then cube of that number is obtained, and cube of that number, result of cube of that number is being considered as a perfect cube number. Hence, perfect cube numbers are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216 and so on. सारे बच्चे नोट करेंगे, नोट इट. Have any doubt in it? No. Note it. रब कर दें. Next one is worksheet 1. Find the cube of following. I'm just going to solve the questions of worksheet 1. One first. One first. Worksheet 1. First come first. We have find the cube of following. Left you will wait the cube of 8. That is 8 whole cube is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. That is 512. It is your answer. Second one is question number 15. We have to evaluate the following. Point 0.06 whole cube, 0.06 whole cube, this is equal to 0.06 into 0.06 into 0.06. That is 216. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After point. This is your required cube of the given number. Here 0.06 is being multiplied by itself 3 times. After multiplying by it 3 times, we have the same result 0.000216. It is an answer. This is the required cube. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. Have any doubt in it? कहीं कुछ डाउट है फिर से बताऊंगा. Note it. Next one is question number 2. Which are the following numbers are perfect cube? 4096. 2 first. First, 4096. रब कर दें. Yes. First, we have to show that the following given number is perfect cube or not. 4096. Yes, answer is yes. 4096 can be written as 2048, 1024, 512, 256, 128, 64, 32, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. That is cube root of 32 is equal to 1 2. Cube root of remaining 2 is equal to 1 2. This one is 1 2 and that one is 1 2. So 4096 is a perfect cube. is a perfect cube because its cube root become 16. That is cube root of 4096 is equal to 16. So this one is a perfect cube. Have any doubt in it? Note it. किसी बच्चे को कहीं कोई डाउट है? Have you any doubt at any point in such solution? If you have any doubt at any point, you must share to me about your doubt. No problem? रब करते हैं? Okay. Next one is इसके बाद का जो क्वेश्चन है वो डिफरेंट टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Find the smallest number. Your question is this: find the smallest number by which 2560 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. We have to evaluate the smallest number by which 2560 be multiplied or must be multiplied so that the product become a perfect cube. How we become able to solve it, इसको हम लोग देखेंगे. हिंदी में भी समझ लेना है कि कौन सी छोटी सी संख्या है जिसमें 2560 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर वो परफेक्ट क्यूब आ जाए. योर आंसर इज दिस. एट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू इवैल्यूएट द factors of 2560 by prime factorization method. 2, 1 to the 4, 1280, 2, 640, 2, 320, 2, 160, 280, 240, 220, 210, 2, 5 and 5, 1. Your cube root of 32 is equal to 1 2. Cube root of 32 is equal to 1 2. Cube root of 3 2 is also equal to 1 2. Only 5 is being left. And to become a perfect cube, this one should be 5 into 5 into 5. It means 2560 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It has the perfect cube 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It will also the perfect cube 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2. 1 is being left into 5. So, to become a perfect cube, we have to just multiply by 5 into 5. And this is your smallest number, that is 5 into 5. This will be equal to 25. Hence, to become a perfect cube, 25 must be multiplied in 2560 so that your product becomes a perfect cube. Hence, the least number will be 25 so that the product become a perfect cube when it will be multiplied by 2560. That is an answer. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. इसके बाद देखेंगे कि कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट है जो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. I will solve that point. I will solve that problem. Yes.
5%. 5% है. थोड़ा कम कर दे.
सारे बच्चों को समझ में आई है ना? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कोई डाउट्स है? Have you any doubt at any point? नहीं है ना? रब कर दें. ठीक है, इसको नोट कीजिए. देखिए बेटा, क्वेश्चन को समझना है. क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि कोई नंबर है 2560, इसमें कौन सी सबसे छोटी संख्या मल्टीप्लाई होगी जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद एक परफेक्ट क्यूब आ जाए. परफेक्ट क्यूब मीन्स दैट नंबर whose cube root become a perfect whole number. So after making factorization of 2560, we have the same result. 2 into 2 into 2. It has the same cube root 2. 2 into 2 into 2 has the same cube root 2. 2 into 2 into 2 has the same cube root 2. Only 5 is being left. अब एक केवल 5 बच गया है. अब 5 बच गया है, इसके क्यूब रूट के लिए 5 into 5 करेंगे तभी 3 times of 5 का क्यूब रूट 1 5 होगा. So your list number become equal to 5 into 5, that is 25, and it is your answer. List number will be 25, answer will be 25. This is your list number. Have you any doubt in it? कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है फिर से बताऊंगा. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस। Question number 4. 4 has the same answer. Your question it is, find the smallest number by which 8,788 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. जैसा हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉल्व किया, उसी तरह क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 भी सॉल्व करेंगे। Question it is, find the smallest number by which 8,788 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. 8,788. We have 8,788. At first, you have to factorize 8,788 by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, we can just factorize it as follows: 2 4 8, 2 3 6, 2 9 18, 2 4 8. By 2, 2 2 4, 2 1 2, 2 9 18, 2 7 24. 2 7 14, 2 2 4, 2 1 2, 2 9 18, 2 7 14. Okay. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे। Thirteen. 13 on the 13, 8, 89, 6, 78, 9, 169, 13 se kiya, this one is 13, 13, this one is 1. So, prime factorization of 8788, so 8788 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. इस 313 का क्यूब रूट हो जाएगा 113. Here only 2 into 2 is being evaluated. So to become a perfect cube, there is need of 2. 2 into 2 में एक 2 की जरूरत होगी परफेक्ट क्यूब के लिए. यहाँ 2 into 2 है, एक और 2 चाहिए परफेक्ट क्यूब के लिए. तो अगर इस पूरे नंबर में 2 into 2 4 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो परफेक्ट क्यूब निकल जाता है ना. एंड इट्स परफेक्ट क्यूब विल बी इक्वल टू 30. सो required the smallest number required the smallest number by which eight seven eight eight is being divided to become a perfect cube is 4. So answer will be 4 because 4 is being left. It is not a perfect cube. 2 into 2, 4 is not a perfect cube. It is a perfect square. That's why your smallest number will be equal to 4. When 8788 is being divided by 4, then result will be a perfect cube and its cube root will be equal to 13. Hence the smallest number become equal to 4. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. किसी पॉइंट पर कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? Have any doubt at any point? No. सारे बच्चे को सारे क्वेश्चंस आना चाहिए. सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में किसी बच्चे को कोई परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए और वैसा बच्चा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेता है जिसका कंसेप्ट क्लियर है. सबसे पहले all should have to clear your concept. Concept plays an important role in mathematics. If your concept is up to the mark, then you become able to solve all questions related with that topics. Of course, सबसे पहले कंसेप्ट को जानना है. कंसेप्ट जानने के बाद वर्कशीट का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है एग्जाम्पल सहित. वर्कशीट सॉल्व करने के बाद लास्ट में दिया हुआ ब्रेन टीजर्स, enrichment, value-based question, and so on. Hard questions are also given. All these questions are technical questions. So, all should have to follow the same. Have any doubt in it? इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? अगर डाउट्स है तो बताइए, फिर से बताऊंगा. नहीं है तो सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. Have any doubt in it? Next question. Next one is, this is the last question of worksheet 1. Write true or false for the following statement. 6050 is not a perfect cube. It is true. इसको रब कर दें. Last question it is. It is given in the question that we have to justify our solution, that our solution is right or wrong. According to given question, we have to write that the given statement is either true or false. Your first statement is this: 650 is not a perfect cube. Either it is true or false. 5 first. Given that 650 is not a perfect cube. Your statement is perfect cube. The following given statement is either true or false. I just mean to say the same, that either 650 is not a perfect cube or not. 650 perfect cube है या नहीं? यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि 650 is not a perfect cube. This statement is true. Answer will be true. पूछिए कैसे? Because after factorizing 650, we have the same result 2, 325. फिर 5 से करेंगे, 5 से 30, 5 5 25, 5 से किया 13, 13 से किया 1. यह देखिए 650 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5 into 13. कहीं भी कोई भी नंबर 3 डिजिट का पेयर नहीं है. हमने बताया है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन ऑफ क्यूब ऑफ ए नंबर, दैट नंबर मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इटसेल्फ 3 टाइम्स. कोई भी नंबर 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाइड नहीं है, अपने से 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाइड नहीं है. सो it has no any pair of cube. That's why we become able to say the same, that 650 is not a perfect cube. The statement is absolutely right. So this is true statement. Answer will be true. Answer हो गया true. This is the right answer. यानी ये जो दिया हुआ statement है सही है. Second one is perfect cube में end with 2 0. No. 5 का second, it is given in the question that perfect cube may end with 2 zeros. No, 2 0 means 100, 1500, 1600. Answer will be no, because according to definition of cube of the number, your number must be multiplied by itself 3 times. 2 0 become a perfect square, not to be a perfect cube. For perfect cube, there should be 3 zeros. कोई भी नंबर अगर इंड होता है 2 0 पर, वो नंबर कभी भी परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं हो सकता है, वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो सकता है. सो द फॉलोइंग गिवन स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. राइट आंसर विल बी नो. सारे बच्चे लिखेंगे नो. नेक्स्ट वन इट इज perfect cube of odd numbers may not always be odd. This is false. Perfect cube of odd number will always odd. जैसे